Hi, I'm Sherry, and I'm going to show you how to build and create an online store using Shopify in 4 easy steps. Step 3, adding products to your online store. From your home page, select over here products and select add new. Enter your title. Real important to put a quick description describing your product or a little caption or a description of the service you provide. Next, go ahead and add photos of your product. You're going to go ahead and enter your price. Difference between price and compare price is the price you normally would sell it at, and then your current price if your product is on sale. And the cost per item, what it costs you, so you can keep track of it. Go ahead and enter shipping weight. I'm just going to add a variant, one size, so I can add my quantity. Next, we're going to enter product type. We're going to go ahead and make a collection right now. And real important, add at least a few tags to your product so it can be easily identifiable and SEOs.